Could AI cause nuclear war? Today, we dive into a topic that just a few years ago would have sounded like science fiction. We're going to shed light on the potential risks associated with artificial intelligence in the realm of nuclear weapons. Brace yourself for a deep dive into the complexities and implications of this readily adopted and quickly advancing technology. In recent years, AI has emerged as a powerful tool with the potential to reshape military capabilities, including those related to nuclear weapons. The integration of AI algorithms and autonomous decision-making systems into nuclear weapon systems presents both opportunities and risks. AI can enhance operational efficiency, optimize response times, and improve accuracy in decision-making processes. However, the implications of granting AI increasing levels of autonomy raises critical concerns that warrant careful consideration. With advancements in machine learning and pattern recognition, AI systems have the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions in real time. This capability could potentially enable AI to enhance early warning systems, predict adversary behavior, and even autonomously respond to nuclear threats. While such advancements may offer potential benefits in terms of strategic advantage and improved decision-making, they also introduce risks that need to be managed effectively. As AI becomes more sophisticated, potential risks associated with its integration into nuclear weapon systems come to the forefront. One major concern is the risk of escalation based on a misinterpretation. AI-driven systems operating on real-time data analysis and interpretation might inadvertently interpret false alarms or misjudge ambiguous situations. This could lead to rapid and unintended escalation, heightening the risk of a catastrophic nuclear conflict. Another concern lies in the potential for adversaries to exploit vulnerabilities in AI systems, thereby compromising their decision-making processes. Cyber attacks targeting AI systems could manipulate data, disrupt communication networks, or even take control of autonomous decision-making, leading to destabilizing outcomes. These risks emphasize the need for a comprehensive risk assessment, continuous monitoring, and robust safeguards to prevent unintended consequences stemming from the use of AI in nuclear contexts. In the face of these risks, safeguarding humanity becomes paramount. Maintaining human control and oversight is critical when integrating AI into nuclear weapons systems. Establishing robust governance frameworks that prioritize transparency, accountability, and adherence to ethical guidelines is essential. Human judgment, values, and experience must remain central in the decision-making process. Responsible AI development should encompass comprehensive risk assessments, the establishment of international norms and agreements, and continuous human monitoring of AI systems to ensure their safe and responsible implementation. Furthermore, it is vital to invest in research and development that focuses on AI safety and methods for verifying the behavior of AI systems in critical contexts, such as that with nuclear weapons. Addressing the risks associated with AI and nuclear weapons requires a collaborative approach on a global scale. International cooperation and governance mechanisms play a pivotal role in managing the potential risks and establishing norms and regulations that guide the development and use of AI in the nuclear domain. Efforts should focus on fostering dialogue and cooperation among nations to create shared understandings, promote responsible behavior, and address potential areas of conflict. Establishing multilateral agreements and framework that encourage transparency, information sharing, and verification mechanisms can enhance trust and reduce the likelihood of a miscalculation in AI-enabled nuclear scenarios. To navigate this path ahead, it's critical that we strike a delicate balance between innovation and security. This requires the collaboration of governments, policymakers, researchers, and technology developers. By harnessing the transformative power of AI while ensuring human control and responsible governance, we can shape a future where AI and nuclear weapons coexist in a stable and secure manner.